So when it comes to Kia Sportage stop lamp fuse, you will need to go here first. This is the plastic lead covering the interior fuse box, and on the back side of this lead you will have this map, and here it says stop lamp. It's the second column force raw fuse. So here is the second column and here is the force one. This is the fuse for the stop lamp. But if both stop lamps don't work, you may also need to check the brake switch. The brake switch is located here. So locate it from the brake pedal, and here is the brake switch. If the brake switch doesn't work, your brake lights will not work, will not activate.